Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this interesting problem. We got 888 that are being multiplied 4 times at the numerator, and at the denominator they are being added up 3 times and then times 222 power 3. And now we are going to simplify and find the value of this one without using calculators of any kind. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And we are going to solve this given problem with the power of basic algebra. So therefore, let's go ahead and suppose that 888 is our A. So therefore, let me go ahead and write down A equals to 888. Then A divided by 4 is going to be 222. So therefore, this expression could be written as, at the numerator, I'm going to replace 888 by A. So at the top, it could be written as A times A times A times A at the numerator. And at the denominator is going to be A plus A plus A. I replace each and every this number 888 by A again, and then we are going to write down this one as A divided by 4 whole power 3. And now at the numerator, A times A times A, this one is going to give us A power 4, and at the denominator, this part is going to give us A plus A plus A is 3 times A. And likewise, let's focus on this part. This could be written as A power 3 divided by 4 power 3, and 4 power 3 is same as 64. Therefore, this expression could be written as, at the numerator is going to be A power 4 divided by 3 times A, and then times A power 3 divided by 64. And now let's focus on this denominator part. This one, 3 divided by 64, I just wrote it down over here, and A times A power 3 is going to be A power 4. And now this fraction could also be written as A power 4, I just wrote it down over here, divided by this denominator is right up here. And here in this next step, this division sign has been converted to multiplication by flipping this fraction like over here. And now we can see that this A power 4, this A power 4, they cancel each other out. So therefore, our simplified answer turns out to be 64 divided by 3. So thus our simplified answer turns out to be 64 divided by 3. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.